Welcome to Halloween, where I'll show you the gameplay of SMG Howley. Let's go to Spooky Sound. Enough with that stupid voice. Alright, so the range is okay. The stat is exact the same. This is good. I've blunderbuss the stat. So the reason why you see my name is Boo SD, as a crazy face. Also, I just complete the event today. It was actually so hard. So let's see how many clip will kill Whiplash. 1. Mad bro? You mad bro? I'm stronger than you, dumbass. Mad bro? I may have short range gun. I think you try to get close to my face so if you shoot me. Me Gasa! Oh shit, come on, the same money? Me Gasa! The best weapon I ever fight with. Skill reloading, go range. But the clip right now a little bit too fast, so to lower it down. But I like the damage. It's a balanced weapon. Also, yeah, I like the head. I got 1% of health, 7% of agility. Bam, I'm dangerous. You mad, bro? Hey, Rocket Quest, mad, bro? Mad, bro? Oh, as you saw in my last video, I said, yeah, I gotta give somebody a shout out. I just saved my mind. This one will be doing this tomorrow. I don't really have time, so I just want to show the gameplay. Me Gasta! You like it? You like bro? You mad, bro? You mad, bro? Okay, so let's see how many kills. Ooh, 28? Yeah, it's okay. I just got the weapon anyway. So, thank you for watching my channel. And also, the last time is still the same. You have to kill a werewolf. So, I pretty much got the orange gun. So, I'm gonna review the orange gun next Thursday. Tomorrow is a shout-out video. So, thank you for watching my video. And please sub for more content. Thank you. Peace out.